save up to 150 pesos on your Grab food orders when you use my code. Hey guys, so today is Pamper Day at Lax Beauty Lounge. Of course, I had my lashes and nails done at nagpa-foot spa na rin ako, pedicure and foot massage. And alam niyo naman, pag burr months, talagang traffic na everywhere, lalo na pag rush hour. Kaya dito na lang ako magdi-dinner, I decided to order na lang via Grab Food. At syempre, ililibre ko na rin sila para naman early Christmas get-together na namin because they always take care of me. And ang request nila is, of course, Jollibee. Ayan, marami nagkikrave sa Chicken Joy at sa mga super meals. I have great news for you, bestie. Syempre, bawal magutom dahil lang sa traffic. Kaya naman, every rush hour,
That's 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. to 9 p.m.
you can get 100 pesos off your order sa kahit anong Jollibee Food Group na brand sa Grab Food. Every week, merong iba't ibang Jollibee Food Group brand na nakapromo. And not just that, you can get an additional 50 pesos, kaya naman 150 pesos na savings ang pwede mong ma-avail. Just use my code.